Good morning, student. Welcome to our Standard 8 Mathematics, chapter number 14, Factorizations. In today's sessions, we can check out the exercise 14.1 and 14.2 exercise questions and answers with solutions. Before starting our today's sessions, let's do some mental and physical exercise and with a silent prayer. Good. Nowadays, you are very practical become a situation for social distancing, wear mask, stay at home and be safe. Now here is the question number 1 of exercise 14.1. My dear student, you can see this one at given question number 1. Yes, my dear student, question number 1 is the find the common factors of the given terms. First one, 12x and 36. As we know the word factorizations, which gives an idea to us to find the factors of the given numbers and here variable also. Expressions are given, these are the monomials or a binomials and a trinomial. About this one you are knowing. So this equation 1 is only a monomials. Two monomials are given or sometimes it's a 3. We have to write down their factorizations and then after a common one. So 12x factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into x. Is it? Yes, my dear student, this is the 2 into 2 into 3 into x. 12 means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 8. Is it? Correct. Regarding the 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. You are knowing about this one. We already completed in lower classes. Once again, I want to show you 36 will divided like this way. 36 is the even number. When it's a even number, it's a divided by 2. It's a divisible by 2. So we can write 2 here and 18 here. Is it or not? Yes, my dear student, you are right. Now 18 is also even number. It is also divided with 2. That means say 9. Yes. And then again 9 is a odd number. Odd number cannot divide by 2. So what is the next number? 3. Is 3 is divisible? Yes. 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. And one more 3 is there. That means 3 1s are 3. At last we will get 1. And multiply these numbers 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Is it given here? So these are the factors of, or you can say factorization of 36. Or you can say 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Is it that? Clear. Okay. One more thing. Now common one. Common means whatever the factors are there in both the number we have to check out. 2 is there, yes 2 is here. 2 is here, yes 2 is here also. 3 is here, 3 is here. Okay. Now x is on the first one? No, x is not there. In second one 3 is there, again 3 is there? No. So what are the common one? 2, 2, 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the common factors of given terms. Is it? Yes, correct. Now look at here the second one. Yes, for 12 also I want to show you. Is it become like this way? 6 and then after 3. Yes, correct. And x has remain. Whenever you can find x, y or any numbers, you just have to do it. See, again I am to show you how it came. You can go through in this method or you can use the ladder method also. Correct. Common one are 2, 2 and 3. So it's a 12. Perfect. Now look at the second one. 2y and 22xy. 2y means 2 into y. 22 means 2 into 11 into x into y, because x and y are also the factors of the 22xy. Is it? Yes. Now look at the third one. 14pq is equal to 2 into 7 and p into q. Let's the 28p square q square. Yes, my dear student, 28 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 7. 4 7s are 28, but 4 is a composite number. We should have to make it a prime number. So 2 2s are 4. Is it? And p square means p into p. Q square means q into q. Now check out the common ones. Which are the common one? 2 into 7 into p into q. So final factor is 14pq. Regarding fourth one, 2x is equal to 2 into x into 1. 3x square, that means 3 into x into 1. Okay. Sometimes you have to write the 1 also, because 1 is the common factor for each one. So here 2 into 2 into 1. Why we are writing 1? Because in these three terms having the 1 is the common one. Or we already defined 1 is the factor of every number. Look at the fifth one. 6abc, 24ab square and 12a square bc. Okay. We are knowing how to factorize this number. Correct. Perfect. B square means b into b. Achha, a square means a into a. Who are the common? 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So 2 into 3, 6. AB, AB, AB. All are having AB, AB, AB. These all three terms having AB, AB, AB. Easy? Okay. Perfect. Very good, student. Now look at here, sixth one. 16x cube minus 4x square 32x, which gives you a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied by x into x into x. Minus 4, that means a minus 1, and multiply by 2 into 2. Or 2 2s are 4, and then after minus 1, which gives you a minus 4. 32 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2x multiplied by x. Common one for each and every one. 2 2 2 is there. Okay, again 2 2 2 is there. Cut it. Very good. And then after you can find out x x x. In each term having the x common. So our 2 2s are 4. 4x is the common factors for given question. Is it solved? Yes, my dear student, it is right. 100% right. Correct. Look at about 7. 10 pq is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Both are the prime numbers. P into q. 20 means 2 into 2 into 5. Yes, q into r. Again 30. That means 2 into 3 into 5. Multiply by r. Multiply by p. Who are the common for each and every terms? Yes, each and every term having the 2 into 5. That means a 10. That means a 10. Is it? Yes. 10 is the common one. Good. Yes, my dear student, that's the right one. You are knowing these ones. No variables are common for each terms. 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square and 6x square y square z. Factorizations are given here. Out of that we can find out x square and y square are common in this all term, because 3, 10 and 6 having no common factors included. So final one is x square and y square. Here we can check out all the common factors terms. Question number 2 is in your screen. Factorize the following expressions. Sometimes you can say the factorize spelling ZE or sometimes SE. Don't worry about the spelling. 7x minus 42. Factorization we have to do. Out of these two numbers or two terms, we should have to check out who is the common. We can find out 7x and 42. Who is the common here? One number is common, that's a 7. So we can write 7 into x minus 2 into 3 into 7, because 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Out of this both the term, 7 is the common. Out of first term we can take out 7, that x is remaining, minus 2 into 3, that is 6, 7, x minus 6 is the answer. Same way, 6p minus 12q, 6 and 12. Who is the common one for this one? Number, because p and q are different. That's why 6 will be the common. Third one, 7a square plus 14a is equal to 7 multiplied by a plus 2 into 7 into a. Who are the common? Oh, here is the common things is 7 and a. Take out this one. What is the left in the first one? Only a and then plus sign. 2 is the left. So 7a, a plus 2 is the answer. 16z plus 20z cube, but minus 16 is there. Minus 16 I already told you, minus 1 multiplied by the 16 factors Yes, then check out what the common 4 4, or you can just directly take out 4 table, both numbers are coming, isn't it? So 4 and z are there remaining, both the one. If take out the 4z from 1, 4 will be the left, but minus 4, isn't it? Plus 5z square. Look at the fifth one. Same way here, s square m and a l m, isn't it? Okay, very good, beta. So here common one are 10 l m. Who is the left for first one? 2l, because 20l square is there. So 10 lm we can take out. Only 2l will be left, plus 3l. Okay, correct. Now sixth one, 5x square y minus 15x square y square x y square. Common one are 5. Yes, then after x, then after y. So 5xy is the common. From the first term, if we are take out 5xy, only x will be left, because x square is given. Same way for xy square, 3 will be there, 5 is a 15 and y is a common. Clear? Seventh one, same way, we are having 3 number 10, 15 and 20. One common factor is 5. Yes, then after a, b, c, not possible. So 10 mathi 5 gaya beta, 2 will be there. 15 में से 5 गया बेटा, divide by 5, that will say 3, and 20 में से 4. Same way for 8 1, minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. Is it? Correct. Sorry. Taking out 2, 2, 4 and a. X square yz plus xy square z plus xyz square. Very simple. Those who are common we can take out, that is xyz. From first we can take out xyz, because x square is there, that's why x will be left. Second one y square, that's why y will be left, and z square means z will be left. Isn't it? Yes, my dear student. Last but not least, we can check out here में से इसमें से गया, then x y z निकाल दिया, x left, here x y z, y will be left, and here x y z, that means z will be left. Same way here, ax square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. By factoring the each terms, we are having this separately. Okay, who are the common here? X and y are present in each terms. All three terms having the x, y present. Suppose I will take out x, y from first term. Who is the left here? X means here x, y will be take out. So ax will be left. Who is left here? Ax will be left. Here if I will take out x, y, then after b, y will be left. And at last c, z. Isn't it? C, z will be left. This is our final answer. Correct. So you are knowing now what is the correct answer. Isn't it? Perfect. xy is the common one for each and every term. Take out that one. You are having ax plus by plus cz. Question number 3. X square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Correct. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Third one, ax plus bx minus ay minus by. First one we can check, x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Rearranging the numbers. फर्स्ट में से बेटा आपने x निकाल दिया तो क्या बचा x प्लस वाई, दूसरे में से 8 निकाल दिया तो क्या बच गया बेटा x प्लस वाई. So x plus y is the common for both the terms. Again, here one more step you have to do. How? See, I want to show you. See, first two terms take out. Out of these two terms, who is the common? X. So x will be taken out. So what is the left for x plus y? Okay, out of these two terms, who is the common? 8. So 8 is the outside and inside. If we are taking 8 from here, then x will be left, plus sign, and then after the y will be left. Okay, now I am having two more terms are given here, x plus y plus 8x plus y. Out of this both the terms, who is the common? Common is x plus y. Out of x plus y, who is the left for this first term? Only x will be left. Okay, what is the sign here now? Plus sign. And out of this term, if I will take out x plus y, who is the left there? Only 8 is there. So now I am having the factorizations of x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y is x plus y into x plus 8. These are the two terms are multiplied together. Is it better? Be careful. This is the multiplications. Okay. Look at the second one. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Correct. So 3x from the first terms and then 2 will be left. Second one only 1 because I want to make it at 5y minus 2. Already 5y minus 2 is there. That means 1 is a common factor for this both term. Afterward this one 5y minus 2, it gives you a 3x plus 1. Third one ax plus bx minus ay minus by. What is the common one beta? Ax plus bx. Okay, x will be the common and second one minus y will I am taking. Minus y, okay, a plus b will be there. On both the terms a plus b is present. I can take out a plus b and x minus y will be the answer. Correct. Look at the fourth one. What is the fourth one beta? Fourth one is nothing. 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. In the exercise you are having the same kind of questions, but when you are giving the test or exam, they are the mixed of all the things. That's why they are giving the number of examples, number of exercise questions regarding the same type for to get the confidence to do the answer. Find out the answers. Very good, my dear student. It is a 5p. That means 3q plus 5 plus 3. 3q plus 5. 3q plus 5 and then after 5p plus 3. Because both the term having 3q plus 5 common, we can write first and then after 5p plus 3. Fifth one, z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. Correct. So here we can check out this both term together and the last term rearranging. Z को पीछे जाने दिया बेटा, तो हम 7xy पहले लिखेंगे, minus 7 लिखेंगे, minus xyz plus z. What is the left here? If I take out 7, I am having the xy minus 1, 7 minus z, that is also xy minus 1. Both term xy minus 1 is the common one and then after the 7 minus z. Is it? Correct. So here 1 minus xy and z minus, it is also over. So here we end up our 14.1 exercise. Once again, thank you for this one. Let's we check out the 14.2 again. Factorizations, lesson number 14, standard 8, class 8. Question number 1 of 14.2. Factorize the following expressions. A square plus 8a plus 16. My dear student, here you should have to check out one more thing, because here you can use the identity for the given number. Is it x plus a and x plus b? In previous lesson we already discussed about this one. 8 का मतलब है 4 into 2, yes, or you can say 4 plus 4. And 16 means 4 into 4 plus plus and multiplied. So here x is equal to a is equal to 4 and b is equal to also 4. Add this value in our identity. It will gives you a plus 4, which gives you a plus 4 whole square. Because both the terms are same, like as a 4 into 4, 4 square. So a plus 4 into a plus 4 will gives you a plus 4 squares. Okay, perfect. Clear. Can we write it like that also? Why not? 4a plus 4a and 16. Both the terms are remain the same. Look at the second one. P square minus 10p plus 25. Same way, identity you have to use x square a plus b, x plus ab. Third one. Here identity is given a square plus 2ab plus b square. Is it? And fourth one, 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. Which is the identity? Same identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Put the value of AB and find out the things. And here the minus sign is given. Don't afraid about minus sign, my dear student. It is common one. Put the factors of 4 is a 2 squares. 8 means 4, 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 square. 2 is the outside, 2ab is there. A minus b whole square is equal to 2a square minus 2ab plus b square. Put the value of a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 2. So you can write here 2x minus 2 square. Yes, my dear student, out of this both 1, 2 square will be taken out. So 4x minus 1 whole square. Sixth one, 121 b square minus 88 bc plus 16 c square. Yes, my dear student, 121 that is a 11 squares, b square also 2 as it is. Whatever the identity you can show like this way in bracket. It is very good phenomena. It is a good idea to show it without any mistake. Which identity you use? A plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Same way, a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Isn't it? Perfect. So both the terms you are having these identities. Okay? Correct. Now look at the 7th over 8-1. 8-1 also you are using only one identity, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or simple, a square plus b square all square will be the answer. Question number 2. Factorize 4p square minus 9q square, which gives us a common idea regarding 2p square minus 3q all square. Okay, identity a square minus b square, which gives you a plus b and a minus b. Very simple. Only first identity is very simple to remember. Whenever you find two number squares, you have to add up and you have to subtract it. That is our answer. Isn't it? 2p minus 3q, 2p plus 3q. Isn't it? Either you can take minus first or plus afterwards. No problem. 63 minus 112b. Out of this 7 you can take out. Automatically you are having the square. So outside 7, inside 3a plus minus 4b and 3a plus 4b. Good. Third one. 49x square 36. These both number are the squares of the given number 7 and 6. Just add up 7x minus 6 and 7x plus 6. Because we are taking first minus and then after plus. Or you can take first plus and then minus. 16 and 144. These both are the numbers. But it is a big one. 144 means 12. It is better to take out 16 from the both one. 16 9 is 144. Isn't it? So 16x cube you can take out. And then after x square minus 3 square will be there. That is x minus 3 and x plus 3. That's why you have to take out here 16. Yes, 5 will be given. That's why you have to take out common x cubes. Now multiply this both the number 1 by 1. 1 time plus and 1 time minus. Again a square minus b square. Correct. Now multiply with this one. Lm plus minus Lm. What are the common one? It's a answer. 9x square y square minus 16. Okay, both are the numbers which are having the squares. Okay, very good. 3xy minus 4, 3xy plus 4. 7th one, x square minus 2xy plus y square. Which identity you are going to use here? Minus wali. A minus b all square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Is it like that way? Yes, my dear student, it is same like that way. But here x minus y square minus z square. Two terms are there, a square and b square. Yes, a square minus b square. Only that use for here. Both are the different. Isn't it? Here is the whole square and here are the both are separate. Be careful regarding this one. Same way for this 8th question. 25 a square minus 4b square plus 28 bc minus 49 c square. Yes, correct. Perfect. Okay. Very good. 25 a square minus 2b minus 7c all square. Both the numbers are squares. Yes, so you can take 1 time plus and 1 time minus. You are having the answer 5a minus 2b plus 7c. 5a plus 2b minus 7c. Easy? Perfect. Look at the question number 3, my dear student. There are 9 questions. Ax square plus bx. Who is the common one from this one? X will be the common for first one. What is the answer? A plus b. Ax plus b. Isn't it? Because in first term, if we take out the x, 1x also remaining. So x plus b. 7p square plus 21q square. 7 will be the common. Okay, p square minus plus 3q square. 3x cube plus 2x square y plus 2x z square. 2x is the common. Last one is x square plus y square plus same square z square. Fourth one also you can find out one common one. Oh, very good question is given here. Lm in bracket plus m plus l. Oh, very nice. So what is the common for first one? L. So answer is m plus 1. M plus 1 is outside also there. So m plus 1 and l plus 1. So two factors are given, or you just arranging and get it the final answer. Y plus z plus 9, y plus z. So y plus z is common. Y plus 9 will be the second term. Both are the multiplied. Again, you can check out for first two terms. 5y will be the common. Yes, here rearranging the number because I want the minus 4 afterwards. Now y minus 4 is the common for both the terms. 5y plus 2z. 8 1 100 AB. Yes, my dear student, 10 AB, not 100 AB. Common one 5b plus 2, 2a plus 1. Ninth one, 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. What is the common one, beta? Yes. Rearranging the numbers and find out the common one. Rearranging you are knowing very well. आगे पीछे ले सकते. Question number 4, factorize. A raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. As our knowing, a square minus b square is equal to this one. So, can we do it here? Why not? A square raised to square minus b square raised to square. Both the numbers are there. A square minus b square in bracket a square plus b square. Again, a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b will give you a square minus b square. And there is no other identity for a square plus b square as it is remaining. Second, p raised to 4 minus 81. 81 means 9 nines are 81. But p raised to square, isn't it? P square minus 9 and p square plus 9. P square means, yes, again 9 and is a 3 square. So p minus 3 and p plus 3 and second term p square plus 9. In bracket you can say because of, how to read out this one? Because of a square minus b square is equal to, here is equal to sign is there beta. A minus b, a plus b. Isn't it? Here is equal to sign. Correct. By mistake it is not given here. Again y minus minus is given. That's why I am telling you that's a is equal to sign. So all the terms are here is equal to sign beta. Here are also is equal to sign. By mistake typing. These are the identity a square minus b square. Rearranging and find out the answers. Clear? Yes. Now fourth one. X raised to 4 minus x minus z squares is equal to x square all raised to square minus x minus z square all squares. A square minus b square, again the same thing. Again the same thing are coming. So x minus z, x plus z. Easy? Correct. So minus minus plus. So x minus x plus z, x will be cut, only z will be left. X plus x 2x plus z. Oh, there is a x will be there. X plus z, 2x plus z, and last 2x square minus 2xz plus z square. Oh, I see. Very good, very good, very good. Fifth one. A raised to 4 minus 2 s square b square plus b raised to 4. So a square raised to all squares minus 2 s square b square plus b square raised to all 2 squares. Okay, a square minus b square squares, correct. Again, you have to use the same formulas, same identities. Factorize the following terms: p square plus 6p plus 8. In place of 6, can I write 4 plus 2? And in place of 8, can I write factors 4 into 2? Why not? So 4 plus 2p, that is 4p plus 2p. Out of first term, we with the common, and p plus 4 will be the left. Plus सेकंड में से क्या रहेगा बेटा, ये दोनों में से भी बेटा 2 कॉमन रहेगा. इज इट? यस. क्यू स्क्वायर माइनस 10q प्लस 21 के दो फैक्टर ऐसे निकालो कि जिसका प्लस 10 होना चाहिए. तो आपको मालूम है 7 3 जा 10, 7 प्लस 3 10 हो गया, 7 3 जा 21. Multiply and plus. Factors multiply, you will get the last term, and factors additions, you will get the middle term coefficient. That's a very common thing in these types of sums. Same way 16 का ऐसा दो पार्ट बनाओ बेटा कि जिसका एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन 6 होना चाहिए, प्लस 6. यस. सो 8 2 जा 16, 8 में से 2 निकाल दो बेटा तो आपको मिल जाएगा 6. सो 8 minus 2p. Thanks. Here we can end up our today's sessions. Once again, I want to say thank you and thank you.